Instead of reading to other people, read to the trees. Come, I'll show you. Abyssal bodies in Midtown. From behind, I heard him cutting through the sidewalk stream from behind. I did not dare cast my look back toward him, though his aria pulled eyes from Penn Station to Port Authority. Only as he passed did I allow myself a glint. My age, maybe older. Blocks bursting out from his scrunchie like bioluminescence, worn backpack, dusted combat boots, a brown trench coat trailing behind, and a deep-seated song sprouting from abyss. Only as he walked on ahead did it touch me, bouncing off the height of skyscrapers, rushing cold waves down my shoulders, pulling around my waist, and flooding the streets. His voice, a lure from the deep.